How to change the appearance of the status bar icons that appear, well, on the status bar of your OnePlus phone with Android 15, Oxygen OS 15. To find and make changes to these settings, use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle right there. Once you're in this part here, just go down a little bit until you see notifications and quick settings, this one right here. Now that you're here, you're going to see the status bar option, which is the very first option to the top. As you enter here, the first thing you'll see is the notification icons, which usually is the icons that appear at the top left where the time is. So if you have any icons to the top left right now, you will see like a little preview of the icons shown in a bit of detail like this here, or they will just appear as a number of notifications. And if you don't want anything shown there, you'll go with do not show at all. So it's up to you to make this decision here. Now for the battery style. The battery style basically is these options here, and you can see the vertical, the horizontal, the little loop one, or don't show it at all. And you can see that difference right there, or don't show anything at all. Now this is a different option from the percentage to show. So you can show the icon for the battery, and then you also have the battery percentage here. So if you don't want the percentage to show, and I'll show you that here closer, you will see that when I turn this off, there is no percentage versus the percentage being shown. Next up, we got status bar icons, which would be these here. Now there is a limit as to how much of these will appear here. So anything after the battery icon would be the status bar icons. So you got the silent, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, the SIM, and it's all these right here. So for example, if you disable the Bluetooth one here, you will see the Bluetooth icon is going to be gone. But this is going to be useful to let you know that these are current items that are actually running or on at the moment, so you have an idea of what's running currently. So if you want these to show, go ahead and turn them on. And again, you are limited to about 4 or 5 at the most, I believe. And yeah, so if you want these to show, go ahead and turn them on. If you don't want them to show, just turn them off. All right, and that's basically it for this guide. Like and sub.